I promise this is the easiest recipe you will find on the internet today that will help you beat the heat. No cooking or baking involved, making it just perfect. We start by making simple nimbu pani, that is lemon juice. Though most of you might already know it, let me share it quickly. To water, let's add sugar, salt and lemon juice. Stir to dissolve the sugar completely and that's it. We still have one more step in the recipe, so do follow along. But before we proceed, always do a taste test to adjust the sweetness or tartness as per your personal preference. Once you are satisfied, all you have to do is divide it equally between the popsicle molds, taking care to leave some room at the top of the mold for the liquid to expand while freezing. And then cover it with an aluminium foil and chill overnight or at least for 6 hours. Now if you have popsicle sticks, you can simply stick that in at this point and forget about everything else. But to be honest, these green sticks won't look that great in pictures, so I chose to use a simple wooden skewer for the job. So cover it with an aluminium foil, freeze it, and after 3 hours, take the semi-frozen mold out, insert the wooden skewers and freeze again for another 3 hours. I know that's one additional step, but karna padta hai yaar. Anyways, to unmold, simply run the popsicle mold in warm water for a few seconds and then boom, it comes out in a breeze. Enjoy your refreshing lemon popsicles with your family. And if you loved this one, why not try our mango popsicles next? You can find the video link on the screen at this point or in the description box below. That's it for this video. I'll see you soon in yet another one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.
Adipoli.